Good morning, good morning. So, someone just sent me that question, and I get that question a lot. One of the hottest questions actually to respond in the internet. How can I make money? I'm gonna give you an idea about how you can make money today, okay? How can you make money? And I hate to say how you can make money with no money, but I'm still gonna respond that question, okay? I hate to talk about how to make money with no money, because then people get used to that term, money with no money. But I'm gonna be kind enough to give you an idea, okay? That I will do today, okay? Today. And actually it's very hot, okay? Say yes if you want to learn it. Say yes, yes. Say yes, 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 while we wait for a few more people to come in. Yes, throw it, please. Throw it, throw it, throw it, coach. Throw the fish, throw the fish. Throw the fish, throw the fish.
Okay, I'll throw it.
Throw the fish, coach.
I got it.
Okay. This is what I would do. If I'm broke, I'm limited with funds, and I don't want to risk any money on a mentor, and I don't want to risk any money on traffic, which is stupid, right? It's stupid, right? But you need to start somewhere. So anyways, there's something that I'm doing right now that is super trendy and super hot, okay? And it's called intermittent fasting. You can go look it up. You can go look it up, you know, anywhere, in YouTube, in Facebook. This applies to everything, but what I'm trying to educate you is that you need to follow trends, okay? You need to follow trends, okay? One of the biggest pains of the human being, okay? One of the biggest pains of human being is to stay in shape, okay? To lose weight, okay? And also to have energy and to have mental clarity, okay? And intermittent fasting is something that gives you the three, okay? You can go to ClickBank, okay? And start looking for any type of training about intermittent fasting, okay? If you don't find it in ClickBank, start looking everywhere. But there's a couple good people that actually have good intermittent fasting courses and diets, okay, that you can follow. Basically, intermittent fasting is just you eat in a period of like 6 hours, you know, from noon to 6 p.m. for example, right? And you just pick the hours that you want to eat. And what it does is your body becomes a burning machine. You know, I'm already losing weight. Started less than a week ago. And every time I do it.
No.
What do you want? Yeah. Every time I do it, my body becomes a burning machine. So what you need to do is you need to go to ClickBank if you can find actually a product that actually, you know, sign up for ClickBank, get your affiliate link, okay? Get your affiliate link, and obviously buy a domain name. You know, it can cost you like $3. Buy a domain name and go to like GoDaddy or Namecheap, you know, something cheap like $3, okay? And you're gonna get something with the keyword intermittent fasting, okay? Intermittent fasting. And that domain name, you're gonna mask it and redirect it to your ClickBank link, okay, to your ClickBank link. Now, you have this super amazing product, okay? And what a lot of people are going to be, and they're lazy, that's why they never make money, is they're gonna start spamming their link in their walls, or spamming the link on Facebook groups. That used to work back in the day when it wasn't saturated. In this day and age, with this saturated marketing, you have to be different. So this is what I would do. And I will make a lot of money, okay? I will document the intermittent fasting on myself, and every day I will do a video. Day 1, you know, and I show the weights, whatever. Yeah, today, you know, I weighed 250 pounds, okay? And I started this intermittent fasting diet, and it's amazing. I feel much better already. And let's see how it goes. Day 1. Day 2. Oh, I lost, you know, I explained a little bit what I did. I lost half a pound. Day 3. Day 4. Every day you do a video. Every day you do a video. Yes, every single day. Documenting your success with intermittent fasting in terms of mental clarity, instead of having more energy, and instead of actually burning fat, okay, which are the most 3 pains, especially for entrepreneurs, busy entrepreneurs, okay? And you're going to always, by the way, guys, you know, if you're interested in learning how to do intermittent fasting, you know, there's a link somewhere on the video here, on top, on the bottom, whatever, like super casual, right? You can go click on it. But you document your results. You need to understand this. You have to document your results. That is the number 1 reason why people will listen to you. Okay? How I documented my result, how I went from 0 to millionaire. Go watch my videos. You will see an improvement. And just by doing that, I made millions and millions of dollars. Okay? And again, now with these videos, you can also start joining groups about health, about diet, or whatever, and give value. Give value. Simply value. Hey, by the way, guys, there's a tip. You know, if you wanna, I've been doing this diet and it's helping. Awesome. You know, I did this. No link. Just give value. People will start following you on your personal wall. Okay? Same thing on Instagram. You post the videos, give value, and start adding people to your Instagram account. Now, you do this for 6 months. Now, you will see how many people will start following you about your tips, because you're documenting your life. You're talking about your success. This is the problem in the internet. People bullshit. They sell something that they don't even believe in, and they expect to have results. Okay? Everything that I promote has to work with me, has to work with for the people that I work with, and it has to be documented, the success. Okay? Your success is powerful. The success of other people that you're helping with this is even more powerful. Okay? Those are the 2 best methods of marketing in the world. Your success and someone else's success. So everything that you do from now on, follow trends. Intermittent fasting is a trend. Okay, like in the past used to be the Atkins diet or the whatever diet or whatever. Right now it's intermittent fasting. Okay? And catch the trend before it gets before the whole world knows about it. Okay, you are perfect. You're perfect. You are right on the moment that people believe in it, because number 1, they're gonna learn from you. You know? And I would have paid like literally $5,000 to learn about intermittent fasting if I had to. That's how much pain I had. That's how much pain I had in order to lose bounce and have more energy and feel amazing. Okay? Imagine how many more people are like that. Now is your chance to bank on it. But if you apply these tips that I gave you, you will never have a problem with money, and you can build businesses over and over and over and over. Okay? By just giving value. And then when you start making some money, you have to reinvest a percentage of your income into paid advertising. So you bring more followers, more people into your funnel, so you can grow much faster and achieve 7-8 figures in the next 3 to 5 years. Okay? But start today. Don't be lazy. I gave you $1 million tip, which most people are not even going to do. Peace.